Do you reckon this will work? The floor is lava.
No! 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 No!
Sweet motherfucker.
What you doing, little buddy? Do it, motherfucker. Sitting there, nothing. Or doing nothing. Pushing, like, why would he hit off the window for no reason? Stop pushing, he's frozen.
Why is you dropped over?
Wow! Take that picture! Take that picture! Jesus Christ.
Dave, what do we do?
We stick a GoPro on the time lapse and see how long it takes. Here! Neil! Don't tell Mad about it, because Mad can let the dog out later.
Bye.
It's Sunday.